you all are doing well under the present situation. And today I will be speaking on some of the features of our upcoming online certificate course on multi-criteria decision-making theories and applications in different decision-making problems. As we have intimated you earlier, and this course is now online. And registration is open. So today's session, during today's session, I will be speaking on some of the modalities and features of this course. See, in my last video, what I talked about the salient features of multi-criteria modeling and the various applications where these techniques can be applied. In line with that applications, in line with that applications, in line with that applications part, what we have planned that this course, we have designed this course. See, as any multi-criteria modeling can be done on objective information and or subjective information. So this course is primarily designed for an entry-level course for multi-criteria decision-making modeling, wherein the emphasis is given on widely applied methods and frameworks. As a matter of fact, that this course covers the aspects of multi-criteria modeling which are workable on subjective as well as objective information. This course contains the techniques like AHP, which is a quite age-old and very important technique which works on expert group decision-making framework, as well as the technique like entropy method, which works on objective information. In addition, for ranking purpose, this course covers the outranking methodologies like distance-based multi-criteria modeling frameworks like TOPSIS, like CODUS, like EDUS. They are the few familiar, widely used and powerful multi-criteria modeling techniques which uses distance-based measure. Apart from that, this course also covered the directional based MCDM techniques like DMATL and interpretive structural modeling as well. And moving forward, the sessions also covered the proportionate weight basis multi-criteria modeling or additive multi-criteria techniques like WASPAS, like COPRAS. All these widely popular and used techniques are there. In addition, what we have also incorporated the optimization based, this OR based multi-criteria modeling technique like data envelopment analysis. There are sessions on data envelopment analysis as well. And in addition to that, we have incorporated fuzzy multi-criteria modeling and beginning or introductory fuzzy multi-criteria modeling. The techniques which we are going to cover during this workshop, we have kept one session for this fuzzy multi-criteria modeling and its applications. And finally, we also incorporated some of the emerging compromise solution-based multi-criteria modeling techniques like this Marcos or COCOSO. And there is a mixed kind of group opinion-based technique like LBWA. So these are the technical frameworks that are the features of this course. This course, in a nutshell, we can say that this course covers widely popular and used frameworks of multi-criteria modeling. Mainly, the applications would be from business management domain, various various areas of business management. For example, investment decision making, marketing problem, supply chain problem. So the techniques will be discussed first theoretically, and then the focus would be on providing you an insight about how these techniques can be applied to solve real life problems. Most of the examples will be taken from the business management domain. Apart from that, there would be certain areas, certain examples which would be from engineering domain as well, because as we all know that this multi-criteria modeling techniques are widely popular and has a wide applications not only in the domain of business management but also in the domain of engineering in the other domain of social science. Even these techniques can be well applicable to solving the daily, day-to-day life, real-life problems. I just take an example of, I just take 1 or 2 minutes to just give you a variety of applications of multi-criteria modeling. Multi-criteria modeling can be applied to select, say for example, a best portfolio for investment decision making. For example, you want to select a particular number of stocks on which you are going to invest. So how do you select a stock to form, or how do you select a set of stocks to form your portfolio? There are many criteria involved in it. Risk is one of the criteria, return is one of the criteria, fundamental of the organization is another set of criteria. So based on these criteria, which are otherwise standalone, cannot be helpful to decide upon that which stock is performing well. So you take all these criteria together and take their effort and make a trade-off to select the best performing stocks to form your portfolio. This is one application. For example, you want to select a vendor who will going to supply you products. Now, there are certain number of criteria involved: vendor quality, vendor reputation, the lead time, the quality of the material. All these criteria are involved in order to select a vendor. So this is one of the applications. Another applications may cite that you want to check that which product of your organization is performing well. Now, product performance depends on, again, several number of, only just the revenue, but also other criteria. How do you compare your existing product line to arrive at a decision that which product is performing well, or what are the products that are performing better than the others? Now, taking the example from engineering domain, suppose you want to evaluate the performance of software, which software is performing well for your organizations. So there is again a set of criteria involved for based on which you perform. So these examples, all we are telling about, or all I am talking about, this not only involves a kind of objective information or readily information, this also involves subjective opinions as well. By means of objective information, what I mean to say, which is measurable quantity, measurable amount, measurable information. For example, if I say that if I want to evaluate that what are the websites of tourism, different tourism agencies are working fine. Suppose I am going to select any destination based on the information available in the website. Now I want to check different websites and I want to compare that which website is giving me the best information, or in other sense we can call it as a problem of website quality evaluation. So there you may not always get objective information like number of traffics, number of accesses, number of informations available, what is the average time to access any page. It also involves a subjective feelings as well. For example, if you search through a website, it should be transparent to you, and that depends on user perception. Suppose I am a user, I want to check the website quality, I go through the website, and the kind of transparency what I perceive is the quality of that website on the dimension of transparency according to me. So it is an absolutely and subjective opinion based information, subjective information or opinion based rating of the website. So likewise, these MCDM techniques are also designed, MCDM techniques are designed based on subjective as well as objective. Our course, we will give emphasis on the techniques which are both applicable for objective evaluation of the alternatives, as well as it also covers the group decision making framework, wherein a set of experts or set of members act together and rate a particular set of alternative to select the best possible alternative. The modality of this workshop will be more on workshop kind of, this course would be on workshop kind of mode, wherein focus would be on practical demonstrations during each session. The sessions would be conducted in the evening, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. every day from Monday to Friday. This course will be spanning over 2 weeks. So together we will get 10 days, Monday to Friday in 1 week, another Monday to Friday in another week. So together we will get 10 days and 2 hours each day. So this course will be for 20 hours duration, and after each session or after all sessions there would be quizzes, there would be assignments, And in order to get the e-certificate of this course, the requirement is that you have to attend at least 60% of the courses, 60% of the sessions, and you need to answer the quizzes or assignments, whatever is given to you. This course is mainly designed for uh, these the practitioners or the researchers or the academicians who are working in this domain or who might have interest to work on the domain of multi-criteria modeling. And as such, there is no bar that who can attend this course. BBA, BTech, BSc, MTech, MBA, or the faculty members or the industry practitioners all can attend this course. The idea behind this course is to equip you with the applicable techniques, widely applicable techniques, so that you can solve your business problem, you can solve your engineering problem, as well as you can apply those techniques to solve your day-to-day life problems also. Because this multi-criteria modeling techniques is applicable to, I mean, shopkeeper to strategy maker. This is the range of applications that these techniques are having. So for looking at the prospect of these multi-criteria modeling techniques, this course is made for applicable for everyone, whosoever else wants to understand that how to take the decision on to select the best possible course of action or alternatives given a set of conflicting objectives, or in other sense you can say under the scenario of multi-objective scenario. If you want to select the best possible alternative, then you have to apply this multi-criteria modeling. So the purpose of this course is like that. And I am happy to share with that the eminent personalities and academicians who are having a huge, a uh, wide number of work in this. I mean, a wide work number of works in this domain. They have agreed to take these sessions, and I am quite happy to announce that professors from NIT Durgapur, like Professor Dr. Gautam Bandyopadhyay, Dr. Samajit Kaur, professors from NIT Warangal like Dr. Sujit Das, Dr. Jagannath Roy, professors from the Faji who are having expertise in Faji domain, Dr. Surapati Pramanik, and also from reputed engineering college like Lilo MCDM Engineering College like Professor Dr. Prosenjit Chatterjee. They all have agreed to take classes, and I am also happy to share that Dr. Devabrat Datta, who is an ex-scientist of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, he also will take the classes. And last but not the least, I'm extremely happy to intimate you that Professor Dragan Pamukar from University of Belgrade, Serbia, he will also take a session on emerging areas of multi-criteria modeling. So we have planned it in that way, and we are hopeful that the participants who are having interest in this domain would register. The registration link is given in the website of Calcutta Business School. When you go to a Calcutta Business School website, you see that there is a tab called new online certificate courses. You just click on the tab and you go to the courses. Also, you can get the direct link of the to search through the courses in the front page of the website as well. You just click on this icon, register now. You will be directed towards the brochure where you can see all these modality, all these informations, how to register, and the registration link is given there. So registration is open now, and for any query you can write to us. The email ID and phone number is also given. So I hope that you all will appreciate this course and attend this course. Thank you very much.